Right?
Everyone was on the list. Everyone was down.
What? Just bring in the fire. Hmm? Bring in the fire.
Hindi natin mukhan?
No, just bring in the fire. Oh my god.
Ay, nasa car na lang. Doon na lang buksan. Malakas ito ah. No, dandang ka dito ah. Ano yun na isa? Ha? Hindi. Kumain na kayo na kahit Tuesday? Sakain kami ulit.
But take it out.
Ilan ang umunta ngayon niya?
This is backwards. It's just like straight front.
Share na sila sa oh, narinig mo ah.
Oh, ganda! Yes! Ba? Ano ba?
What's that word?
This is a motor. That's what it moves everything.
Then you gotta charge it first. Then what do we look for?
Huh?
Kumain na kayo, te?
I'll still eat.
Kain nyo naman kayo, te, may. Ano, daan pagkain. Ano dito? For belly lechon. Mix na wait for one.
Oh, wait. Sorry.
Nasing sabi mo. Oh, naipot niyo mo tanggal.
Come with it. Harap ko.
Mabilis kinuha, baka maano ka dito.
Anak.
Tangan mo. Ikaw, sabi mo ayaw yung scooter sa Mumbai.
I wanted both. Oh, you already phone. No, no, you don't have to. No, don't go. No, it's like.
Hindi pwedeng dalhin sa school yan mo Nakawin nila yan.
Don't ride. I don't want to see you riding on the helmet.
Okay. You have a helmet, pa? Huh?
Bibili.
Oh, there's a light in the front. Is it charged already?
Yeah.
Can you like turn it on?
I think you have to.
Does it?
This.
You're at 5 miles per hour.
Ano to?
No, that's a bell.
How do you go forward?
Are you forward? Is this?
You can try to the side
Okay.
for now.
Light niya saan?
Miguel, you wanna try it? Wait, okay, hold it.
It's too short for that, I think. Can you adjust this?
No.
The handlebar?
Hindi na adjust.
Oh shit, oh you can try it here. Oh.
You gotta balance it. You can't stop moving.
Oh, this is fast. It goes up to like 22, I think.
Magkabili mo dyan? Ba't sino mahal na mahal mo?
Hindi ko alam ang hilig niya na eh.
Ano, gusto niya yung gadget, yung ang tawag doon?
Sa susunod.
Ang tawag dito?
Bata pa naman siya.
Yung ano?
Binila ko siyang dalawang ano. Ay! Oh. Stay here.
Oy, saan ka punta?
Diyan lang siya, try niya dyan.
Back off.
Inggit si Kuwa. Wub. Ay, sorry. Ito yung light niyan.
Try it, try.
Boom. Hindi mo alam yan,
Ano pa pag-aralan?
Kala ko ako hindi ko alam, hindi ko mabalance sa amin.
Oo, pag-aralan. Lagi pa kita sa side. Sa... Pag-date ko.